What is up, you guys? It's Mackenzie Wachter, and we're in Buenos Aires in Subway Surfers. As you know, things have been changed around a bit because they got the new My Tour. They got a new calendar put up there. See, it's Fabulous Friday. And the character I got is... Hang on, it's coming up. Just waiting. Okay, I got Sophia with her Gancho outfit. She kind of looks like a cowgirl, doesn't she? Yeah, because she does. And here I got the Splash, which is kind of like a fidget spinner. How cool is that? Anyway, let's take this out on the course. Alright. I was going to do this video yesterday and I already made it, but somehow that video just got like, it had like, it was like, it took 2 hours, and when the phone was automatically turned off and I had to charge, and then the video was gone. So I just did a replacement video. So tomorrow I'm going to a convention, like a Comic Con in Pittsburgh tomorrow. I bet you guys are gonna love it. Seriously. You'll come see me there, and I hope you'll enjoy this. Alright, so we spelled S-U-N, sun, word hunt complete. That's good. I really like this edition. It's really cool. Okay. Oh, did not. Ooh, yeah. Getting it now. Ooh. As you know, I just got my new phone, so it has better quality, better HD. Yeah, so I love Argentina, especially when they got like ganchos. And I guess we're just gonna have to end this run right here. What'd I get? Oh, 3,000 coins. What else we get? 1x head start. Okay, thank you so much for watching this update, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So stay tuned for more videos. Alright, thanks you guys. Bye!